Let's go first to Inditex, which is Spanish-based. It trades, and people will be familiar with the brand Zara. It has been a leading, booming company on a global basis. We'll talk in a little bit about who its controlling shareholder. Let's go straight to its market capitalization, which is about 105.7 billion euros. But I mean, euros, dollars are sort of interchangeable these days. Price-to-earnings ratio 33.5. That's high. Dividend yield of 1.95%. Primarily listed on the Madrid Bolsa.
Yes.
Although it's 76 or something percent controlled by its founding shareholder family. But shareholder price will be evident. Look at the chart. It's been absolutely brilliant. That is, in fact, the 5-year chart. So you can't really see too much excitement there. But if you go back a little bit further, it's really trading close to or at its all-time highs at the moment.
Yeah, I mean, it's just been such a consistent performer if you look at that that 5-year track history.
This one is, in fact, the US OTC ADR. So that's fine. But that dampens the returns that you would have enjoyed in euros if you owned them in Spain.
Yeah, I mean, it really has been good. It's, you know, arguably the world's largest fashion retailer. And yeah, we may be not exposed to all the brands that they have in their stable. But as you mentioned, Zara is probably the most prominent that we're familiar with.
So founded by an old, well, he's old now, a Spaniard, born in 1936, a guy called Amancio Ortega. Very low profile guy, but he's now one of the richest people in the world because he owns still 60% of the total thing. It comes out of a weird little town called A Coruña, which is on the top left corner of Spain, facing out to the Atlantic Ocean. People will be familiar if they follow Spanish football with the team Deportivo A Coruña. But from there, to go and build this global empire of, what is it now, 7,200 stores, including some here in South Africa. But they really were at the forefront of this fast fashion trend. Just explain that. That's where your lead times are very short.
Yeah, that's right. So, you know, it's all about seasonality and have to be seen in the latest on-trend garment for that time. And one of the ways they did it, they don't spend a lot on advertising, but they'll have these massive leading flagship high street stores that people, you know, in the most prime locations, and people will go in and they will aspire to the clothes. And what they've done quite cleverly to keep the growth momentum going is they've then backed it up with a lot of online sales. So not everyone can go to the Paris or the Dubai flagship store every day. But you might have visited it once while traveling, and then you'll go and you'll start to get a feel for the clothes.
What's really amazing about them, though, is a very strong design element. And I think Spain has a sense of that being, you know, something that's become quite Spanish in recent times, is that design orientation. So literally, they don't design big, long ranges with huge production runs. They literally wait and see on a 2-week cycle what's selling, and then they make more of that. And keep moving it so people know that there's always something new in the stores. But high quality, low price, it's a killer combination.
Yeah, they've got it right.
Okay, so the liquidity is a little bit limited given that the family controls the entity, but I don't know, I mean, it looks to me like a winning company on a roll. I'm feeling like it deserves its hot rating even at that high price. Are you?
Yeah, it's a tough one because I really do like the company. I like how they operate, and they really have optimize that retail model that some people don't get right. My only thing is the valuation. You know, it is priced for a bit of perfection. We're looking like a softer outlook in Europe. So purely on the valuation basis, I'm going to say not hot, but like the company.